The Tatum 4PF Welcome to London brings the city's raw energy to life through a rugged mix of textures, colors, and layered materials. Inspired by the iconic Bakerloo and Victoria line seat patterns, this colorway merges deep blacks, rich purples, and hyper-violet panels for a striking street-ready aesthetic. Its three-dimensional mesh, curved synthetic overlays, and navy outsole with intricate patterns create a bold visual rhythm that reflects London's chaotic yet stylish vibe. A vibrant blue heel accent, detailed insole graphics, and a glowing tongue emblem elevate its personality from every angle. The low-to-the-ground Tatum silhouette maintains its sleek performance shape while capturing the atmosphere of London's streets. Paired with the Air Jordan 11 Low-E and the Welcome to London pack, this sneaker stands out as a reimagined tribute to the city's culture and movement. Perfect for collectors and fans, it blends urban storytelling, modern design, and high visual impact,